Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you are seeing this video, welcomes you. Myself Priyanka. Today I am taking you to the unit 2nd of class 10th, which is algebra. Algebra is a numbers with which we play. Algebra is a mixture of variables and numbers with which we play. So, the first topic in algebra is polynomials. The first topic in algebra is polynomials. So what are polynomials? Polynomial is an equation or a polynomial is an expression in which we combine numbers and variables. Polynomials are basically an equation or expression that have only one variable. One variable equation or one variable expression is known as polynomial. So let's see some examples of polynomial. Let's px equals to 3x minus 2, px equals to 3y square minus 2y plus 4, and fu equals to 1 by 2 u cube minus 3u square plus 2u minus 4. So these are polynomials. So let's see what's the concept of polynomial. Here we have only one variable, here we have only one variable, and here we have only one variable. So one variable expressions or one variable equations are known as polynomials. So these are some equations. These are some examples. But if you take 2x square plus 3 root x plus 5, this is not a polynomial. 1 over x square minus 2x plus 5. This is also not a polynomial. So these are some examples of polynomial. This is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. An expression or equation in one variable is known as polynomial. Now, what is the second concept in polynomial? Is degree. Degree of a polynomial. What is degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial means the highest power of variable. Highest power of variable is degree of polynomial. Suppose we have fx equals to 3x minus 2. This is of degree 1 because the highest power of x is 1. Suppose we have this. It has degree 2 because the highest power of the variable is 2. So if we have suppose this is known as constant polynomial because the degree of variable is 0. So we can't say that this is not a polynomial. This is a polynomial, but the degree of the variable is 2. The highest degree of the polynomial is 2. Now, the next topic. Types of polynomial. First, constant polynomial. What are constant polynomial? I have tell you 2, 3, 4. The degree of polynomial is 0. Where the degree of a polynomial is 0, that is known as constant polynomial. Now, second, linear polynomial. The degree is 1. The degree of variable is 1, like 2x plus 5, 3y plus 2. Here the highest degree is 1. So this is your linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. Degree is 2. Degree is 2. A quadratic polynomial is a polynomial whose highest degree is 2. So, suppose 2x square plus x plus 5. The highest degree of variable is 2. So, it is known as quadratic polynomial. Now, fourth. Cubic polynomial. Highest degree is 3. Highest degree is 3, like 3x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 6. The highest degree is 3. So this is known as cubic polynomial. This is known as cubic polynomial. Now, fifth one is biquadratic. Degree is 4. 3x4 plus 5x cube plus 4x square plus 6x plus 2. Here the degree is 4. So this is known as biquadratic polynomial. This is known as biquadratic polynomial. So where these are the types of polynomial. Now the next topic is value of polynomial. How to find value of a polynomial? If we have a polynomial and we have to find its value, then how we find its value? Let's take a variable, a polynomial, 2x square minus 3x minus 2. If I said find its value at x equals to 1, x equals to 2, then what should we do? F at 1. We will put the value of x at 1. Now we should put the value of x 1 in the equation. So this will be 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 2. So 2 minus 3 minus 2. So 2 minus 5, which is equals to minus 3. So the value of polynomial at x equals to 1 is minus 3. Now, similarly, we can find value at any number. Suppose if we have to find f at 2, x equals to 2. So put 2. 2 square minus 3, 2 minus 2. This is 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 6 minus 2. So this is 0. So f at 2 is 0. So these are the steps how to find the value of a polynomial. Similarly, we can find the value of a cubic equation also. Cubic polynomial also. Suppose we have an equation x cube minus 6x square plus 11x plus 6 or minus 6. So this is your equation and we have to find the value. So how to find the value? Suppose we have to find the value f at 1. So 1 cube minus 6 1 square plus 11 1 minus 6. So 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. So this is 12 minus 12 is 0. So these are the steps how to find the value of a polynomial. Now next concept. This is very easy chapter and scoring also. You can score full marks in this chapter. Now what is 0 of a polynomial? What is 0 of a polynomial? Any number alpha or any number beta is known as 0 of a polynomial. How? Let's see. We have take fx equals to 2x minus 2. So, if we put x equals to 1, we get f at 1 is 0. 2 into 1 minus 2 is 0. So, when we get f at x is 0, at which value we get fx is 0, that value is known as the 0 of a polynomial. So here 1 is known as the 0 of a polynomial fx. 1 is known as the 0 of the polynomial fx. I think the concept is clear with you all. Now, next step. Graphs. How to represent polynomial in graph? Suppose we have a linear polynomial like y equals to ax plus b. This is the standard form of linear polynomial. So, we get graph like this. A straight line. We get a straight line for a linear polynomial. For a linear polynomial, we get a straight line. You have to put the value of x and find the value of y and draw a line on the graph. This is the graph, representation of graph. Let's see an example. Suppose here our equation is 2x plus 2. Now, if we put x equals to 1, then y equals to 4. If we put x equals to minus 1, then y equals to 0. Now, plot these points on graph. Suppose this is your graph and this is 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. X is 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this figure will be not accurate because I am not using the graph paper. X is y and y is 4. X is minus 1 and y is 0. So, this is your straight line. So, whether we get any linear equation, we get a straight line for the equation. I think the concept is clear with you. Let's move on to the graph of a quadratic polynomial. Suppose fx equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So this is a quadratic equation, a standard form of quadratic equation. So graph which will be you get is like this. A parabola or a hyperbola. You can take any equation, any quadratic equation and draw the graph on your graph paper. You will get a figure like this. Now, let's move on to the graph of a cubic polynomial. Now, let's move on to the graph of a cubic polynomial. The equation will be ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this will be your equation. And how you will get the graph of this? Let's see. The graph will be like this. Like this. So the graphs will vary for different types of equations and for different types of questions. But the graph will look like this. In linear equation, a straight line. In quadratic, a hyperbola, parabola, or in cubic, there is a rise and fall in the equation. So you can practice this yourself. You can try it, and if you have any doubt, you can consult me. Now, today in this lecture we will discuss this much only. In next lecture I will take the rest topics of the polynomial. So thank you so much. If you have any doubt you can concern me. Thank you so much.